Hey, this is Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to tell you how to make some easy DIY diaper liners.
Okay, I have some fleece here. Make sure it will absorb and wick your fluid into the inside. You can just do a quick water test for that. You are going to want to measure your diapers that you use, because I have a couple that are different widths. This is actually really wide, this particular diaper. But I want a wider one for this than I would for some of my other ones. So all I'm going to do is just cut. Sorry, he's helping. I'm just going to cut a width here that measures up. And you can do it front to back, or you can just do a short one for the back. I found that I like going all the way up to the front because I feel like it protects his front area from moisture building up too. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I do that. Make sure not to cut your diaper. I only have one hand here. Okay, there it is. I could go wider. I chose not to do that. It's just a personal preference. I don't want it on the outside here because then the moisture may wick into his clothes instead. So I want to make sure it stays on the inside. Now you could just tuck it in. Depends on your preference. And there it goes.
Okay, that's it. This is really all there is to it. It's super easy. You don't need to finish the edges because fleece won't fray. If you like this post, make sure to subscribe and to like the video. You can find more information about sewing cloth diapers on my blog, DIYDanielle.com, or you can check out my book, How to Sew Cloth Diapers, which is available on Amazon. Thanks so much. Have a great day.